Now the question before us is, give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable. We have already learnt that in the case of linear equation in one variable, there is only one variable which is given in the equation. The variable may be x or y or p or q or t or any other alphabet. So here, when we are to draw the geometrical representation of linear equation in one variable, we have to draw a number line. This is the number line. Here we write it 0, here 1, here 2, it is 3, it is 4, it is y-axis, y number line. Here it is -1, -2, -3. Now we have drawn the number line. Here we are to simply pinpoint the value of y is equal to 3. Here it is y is equal to 3. We have been able to draw the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 on the number line. Now the next question before us is, give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in two variables. We have already learnt that in the case of two variables, the linear equation may take the shape of x plus y is equal to 15. Here I am only telling you about the formation of linear equation. This is not to be written in the exam. It may be in the form of 2x plus 3y is equal to 20, or it may be 2x plus 7y minus 20 is equal to 0. That is, in this case you will see that these are two variables, x and y. In place of x and y, there may be variable written as pq or rs or yz. So here you will find that in the question there is only one variable given. Wherever as per the question we are to draw the geometric representation of an equation in two variables. That is, one variable is less given in this question. So here we will have to add the variable. What is given? It is given. So we add variable x. How we will add? We will write 0x plus y is equal to 3. If we draw 0x, it means that even if the value of x is 1, suppose the value of x is 1, when it is multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. If the value of x is something else, say 7 when multiplied with 0 becomes 0. So ultimately y will remain as equal to 3. That is, there is no problem if we write it as 0x, value as 0x. So now for making the geometrical representation, suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. When we are to draw the geometrical representation, or we have to form the graph may be take the shape of this one, or this one. Graph may be of any shape. It is a straight line, or it may be of any shape such like this. It may be of any shape which is a straight line. To draw a graph, we should have at least 2 points. That is, maybe here and here, here and here. That is at least 2 points. Suppose we are having these 2 points, and on the basis of this we are drawing the straight line, or we are drawing the graph, or making the geometrical representation. But for drawing these 2 points, we should have the value of y at this point, value of x at this point, because it will be formed by this way. If we want the value of at this point, if we want to draw the point at this point, for this we have to value of y at this place and value of x at this place, at this place x, at this place x, this place y, at this place y. That is, we should have at least two solutions of x and y which, when put into the equation, will serve the purpose. How we can understand the same also? That is, if we write x plus y is equal to 15, we can say that x is 8, y is 7, then it is 15. We can write x is equal to 7, y is equal to 8. That is, we have to find out at least two solutions in respect of x and y which satisfy the equation. In other case, we can say that if we say that x is 15, y is 8, it becomes 23. Then it does not satisfy the equation if x plus y is 15. In this case, y is equal to 3. So we will have to here, now we come to the main question. In this case, we have to find the at least two solutions of x and y so that we can form the graph. I hope you have understood the basic points so that you can form a graph. So here we will draw a table. Here we write x, here we write y. First of all, let x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, then what will happen? 0x plus y is equal to 3, that is y is equal to 3. Now let x is equal to 1, then what will happen? 0 into 1 plus y is equal to 3, then it will be again 0 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. We will now form the graph on the basis of these two solutions. What are the solutions which we have obtained? 0, 3, this is the first solution. Next is 3, this is the second solution. While writing the solution, please note that the value of x is written first, value of y is written after that. Again, value of x has been written first, value of y has been written next. Now we will form the graphical representation or geometrical representation. This is the y-axis, this is x-axis, so now 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here it is minus x-axis. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the basis of the solutions which we have find out, that is on the basis of the values of x and y which we have find out, we will form the graph. Now this is the value of x, this is 0, here it is 0, value of x is 0. Now the value of y is 3, so here the value of y is 3. Here it is the first point where x is 0, y is 3. Now what is the next solution? Value of y is value of x is 1 and value of y is 3, that is at this point x and y values are meet. So when we join these 2 points, it will be like this one, straight line. At this point solutions are 0, 3. At this point, solution of x and y is 1 and 3. Here it is parallel to, it is the equation y is to y is equal to 3. Here we have formed the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3, where we have assumed the value of, we have assumed the other variable which was not given in the question. If y variable is given, then we will assume x variable. If x variable is given, we will assume y variable, and on the basis of that we will find out the two solutions of x and y which fit into the equation. Next question, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variable. This is a very simple question. Here it is given 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. In the other case, we can also say it as 2x is equal to, here 9 will go to the left right hand side and it will become minus 9. Value of x comes minus 9 over 2, or we can say it as minus 4.5. In the case of geometric representation of linear equation in one variable, we are to simply draw a number line. This is the number line. Here value is 0, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, here it is 5. Here we will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So what is given? X is equal to minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 will lie somewhere here. X is equal to minus 4.5. Now this is the geometrical representation of the equation 2x plus 9. Now the next question before us is, we are to represent the same equation in two variables. As already told, when that in this question here only one variable is given. So when one variable is given, we will have to, we may add y variable in the equation. How we will add? We will take 0y, because even if the value of y is say 5, when it will be multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. Even if the value of y is somewhat more, say y is 20, when multiplied with 0, it becomes 0. So it does not affect the equation at all. So we may write it as in this way. So in other way, we can write it as 2x plus 0y is equal to minus 9. So now we are to find out the two solutions of x and y which fit into the equation. Suppose we let y is equal to 0, then what happens? We will form here a small table where we will write the solutions or the values which will be arrived at. Here we have assumed the value of y is equal to 0. When value of y is 0, what will happen? 2x plus 0 into 0 is equal to minus 9. 2x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 9 over 2 minus 4.5. Now when we say let y is equal to 1, what will happen? 2x plus 1, 0 into 1, because it is 0y, value of y is 1. 2x into 2x plus 0 into 1 is equal to minus 9. Then 2x plus 0 into 1 becomes 0, minus 9. 2x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 4.5. So here again value of x comes 4.5 and value of y is 1. So here we will form the graphical representation of this equation. Here it is y axis, it is x axis, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is given? Here it is given that value of x is minus 4.5. Here it is minus 4.5 somewhere here. And y is 0. That is the first point is this, where value of x is minus 4.5 and the value of y is 0. Then the next is value of y is 1 and x is minus 4.5. X is minus 4.5, value of y is 1. So here it is somewhere here the point comes. That is where x and y fulfill this situation. X is minus 4.5 and y is 1. So here we will join these 2 points and it will be just like this, a straight line. So here the equation is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. The solutions are here minus 4.5, the value of y is 1. Here at this point it is minus 4.5 and here the value of y is 0, because we are to write the values of x first followed by the value of y. First we have written this value minus 4.50, then this is this value which has been written on the upper side. Now this is the geometrical representation of the equation which was given to us in the examination. You can also write the solutions here, minus 4.50, next solution minus 4.5 and 1. I hope you might have understood the concept that in case only one variable is given, then we have to add other variable in the case of linear equation in two variables. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.